1 and chapter 2, which is also cover for the overall the use of the energy management topic, and also cover up to the regulation 1, the responsible as the RIM, and to understand the regulation, for example, regulation 6, regulation 9, etc. And also for on how as an energy manager to establish a sustainable energy management system. So if you want that slide, is it you really need that slide? And I will share that slide now in our WhatsApp group.
Perlu, Doktor.
Perlu tak?
Perlu.
Okay. So, saya share. Sekarang juga, kalau saya tak share sekarang, saya terlupa. Okay. Dewan. Masuk tak? Tak. Okay. I have shared the summary slide, which is the arrangement, the topic that really need for you to study in order to answer the final year questions, final examination question. Okay, so I hope that one can help you to answer at least question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, so today I would like to discuss about the another preparation for the final exam, which is to cover chapter 3. Chapter 3. So again, I just wanna repeat the about the final exam question. We're gonna have 4 question. Okay, 4 question. 4 question only. So you need to answer all the question. Question 1 is about the regulation, the functional of RIM, etc. Okay. Question 2 is about the chapter 2, energy efficiency, and on how sustainable energy management system can be established in organization. Okay. For chapter 3, for question 3, we'll cover about the tariff and electricity price, on how you can calculate the energy consumption from the load profile, and then after that you come up with the several proposal of the tariff. For example, tariff for the commercial C1, C2, and also for the initiative by TNB, for example, OPTR, off-peak tariff rider. Same like midterm test, for example, question number 2. So I noticed that for question number 2 in midterm exam, more than half of you cannot answer that question properly. So today I would like to discuss again on how you can answer that that question, and also if the final exam question is something like that, and at least you will have the idea on how to answer, on how you can arrange your answer properly, so that you can get a full marks for that question. Okay, let's see again question number 2, midterm, for the midterm exam. If you have your own paper with you right now, you can open that question number 2. Okay, so we're gonna have a discussion about the question number 2, midterm test. All right, this one. So I have shared this question number 2 midterm test. So we're going to have discussion. For example, here, the case study is about the government building, especially for the education one. So it doesn't matter to ignore that that one is bunga lah kan for that question. So the you need to focus on that tariff, the for example commercial building. That one is the hint. Commercial apa ni? Boleh nampak tak slide saya? PDF saya ni.
Nampak tu.
Nampak. Oh. Macam bateri saya nak. Sebaik perasan. Alright. So first thing you need to identify for this load profile. The load profile is for commercial building or for industry. Yeah. So basically, for the final exam, you need to identify the consumer types. For example, here commercial, and of course we use commercial. And directly here, the basic tariff for this one is C1, the basic tariff C1. So if C1, look at the appendix one, the appendix, the structure of the tariffs for C commercial, it will have C1 and C2 table. Okay, C1 and C2 table. And also if the question asks you something like here, you need to come up with the detailed analysis on the average daily, monthly, yearly consumption. So first, you need to, I think, to create a proper answer, just draw a table to represent the daily, monthly, and yearly consumption. And if you have the idea for this one, a question asks you to suggest a tariff, and at the beginning you need to prepare something like peak and off-peak consumption. For example, here the question hint, the question gives you a hint about the peak and off-peak. For example, peak period here is 9 to 10. The question may be different. You need to refer question in order to identify what time the period for the peak. Maybe that one is different. The final one is different with this midterm. But basically, for the table, especially for daily, monthly, and yearly consumption,